So in the past week, we've been working to improve and build our AlphaBot, which involved fixing and potentially rebuilding our prototypes to make them better and work with a higher accuracy and reliability. And we've also just been doing minor adjustments to just improve it overall.
In the past week, I've worked on like a bunch of random stuff. I started off cutting out the ramp for our robot out of MDF and applying like zip ties to the acrylic area on the side so we can have it like aligned properly. So when the coral goes in, it goes into the chute.
For the past week, I have been working, and software in general, has been working on mainly testing the robot, adding more subsystems. For example, we've been testing the end effector and the beam brake to see if it works, as well as testing the elevator very recently. And we have also obviously coded those systems so that they actually work.
The reason why our team is building 2 iterations of the robot, the AlphaBot and the BetaBot, is one, so we can test all of the things that we put on the AlphaBot to decide whether or not it's fitting to take to competition, and 2, to get like a satisfactory amount of practice for software and driving practice before the competition, because that's something very important.
Yes, we have faced many challenges. There was the Robo Rio the original one wouldn't work. The Robo Rio wouldn't update properly, and the problem was, I believe, caused by us using a computer that had Windows 11, which ended up messing some stuff up. And we ended up trying to fix the Robo Rio because we didn't know exactly what it was.
One of the really annoying challenges that I've come across, especially on the end effector, is people telling me to remake it. I think I remade this thing a good like 4 or 5 times. It's just such a nightmare.
So the AlphaBot is pretty much finished in the mechanical and electrical aspect, and now it's going to be handed over to software for testing and kind of messing around with their software stuff.
I am proud of the end effector. I'm pretty proud that I spent quite like a good week doing this, just making it over and over again. I suppose I'm proud of being able to make motors. I feel like that's not really such a big thing, but like it's kind of nice to be able to know how to do things, essentially.
I've learned how to use the lathe, which is something I've been looking forward to since I joined the team. And I've just learned a bunch of new techniques and ways to get around challenges.
I'm very proud of the fact that I actually had the initiative to clean the Elec cabinet, since it's been like an absolute pigsty for as long as I can remember.
I'm feeling mostly excited towards the competition. Obviously, I don't know at all how it's going to go, whether it's going to go well, badly. I have no idea since it's so early on. But overall, I'm very excited for the competition in general.
I feel kind of hopeful for this competition this year. It's just, I don't know. It's just a feeling.